Once upon a time, in a castle in the sky, there lived 2 princesses. Their names were Skyla and Astra. Are you ready to meet them?
I'm Astra, and I'm Skyla, and this is Zodiac, our Pegasus. We're going on an adventure, and we need your help. Are you ready? Let's go, Moonbeams!
Are you ready for our first adventure?